Most safety applications ask you to press the panic button when you're already in trouble. Mine alerts you before the danger even happens, and this is how I made Arovate in just 30 days. Hi, I'm Atul Sahu, first year CS student at Newton School of Technology, SVYASA Bangalore. This application was built for CoNSTruct Hackathon, which was a month-long hackathon organized by the university. Unlike a typical 24-hour hackathon where we just have to finish a demo, CoNSTruct gave us a whole month to figure out what we have to build and make something which is production ready, where we can polish and public the application to the whole world. Arovate is a safety-focused travel application where if any user enter a risky area, they'll notify, okay, you have entered in a risky area. So basically, we combine past crime data with the real-time location tracking, giving people the awareness they need before they are visiting to any specific place. Finding a unique problem statement was quite challenging for me, but soon I realized the issue with India's public and tourist safety. Things like harassment, theft, and assault, it happens to both local and tourists, but the real issue is the slow response time. In India, it's reported that police usually take 30 to 45 minutes to respond to any emergency in urban areas, and that can stretch more than 1 hour in rural areas, and that often leaves victims vulnerable during the most critical situation. The problem is simple: when something goes wrong, people don't usually know how to get help quickly. They don't know which areas are risky or how to reach the authorities fast, and I want to fix that gap. You upload a travel itinerary, where you're going, when you'll be there, and the app will track your location in real time. So for coding, AI was a great collaborator. I used ChatGPT for ideation, Gemini helped me writing code, and there was a LLM called QuenCoder which helped me audit and understanding my whole code base. And it was a constant cycle of generating things, fixing issues, debugging the whole code base, and just a repeating process. Sourcing the data will be the biggest challenge for an app like mine. I'm planning to pull the data from the public sources like newspaper, crime bulletins, social media posts, and forums. Then I'll train the app to map all those data points into specific zone. Let's say red zone for theft, yellow for harassment, and so on. Bangalore is quite dense with incident and have a very readily data available in public sources, so it is quite a good starting point for me. There were 2 evaluation sessions. During the first one, Girish Subramaniam asked me a question, and that shaped my entire mentality while building this application. He asked, why only for tourists? Why not for locals? And that hit me. Safety isn't just a tourist issue, it's universal. And then I realized this app could serve a much more wider audience. During the final demo day, Suhas Motwani sir asked me to look into Peter level, who's working on a map distribution project, and he's sharing everything related to that particular project in Twitter, which gave me a framework to visualize the data geographically, and that saved me from weeks of research. Right now, the front end works with the mock data, but I'm sure that the front end part is almost done, and now the time is for the back end, where we'll be dealing with geofencing, data integration, and the real-time trafficking. Currently, I'm aiming to have a full coverage of Bangalore with the real-time data by February 2027, and then I'll market it organically through my YouTube channel and my Instagram handle, because I'm creating a tech-based community over there. If people trust me, they'll trust my application, and hopefully that can lead to a very good partnership with police bodies and government agencies. NST believes in learn by building, and that really shaped me how I am right now. We have been building real-world projects since day one. And not only that, we get a chance to showcase our work to the industry leaders, where they critique us like we are their co-worker, not as a first-year student. And this kind of exposure and pressures gives us a head start in our engineering journey, and this is something you'll not experience anywhere else.